Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. So let's get right into it. Suppose someone has blocked me on Snapchat and I want to see their conversation with me. So all I need to do is head over to their Snapchat conversation and just make sure that their conversation is always updated. And for that, all you need to do is when you start a conversation, just keep tapped on that and go to chat and notification settings and just change the delete chats from 24 hours to viewing to after viewing, or just the chat won't be deleted. Yeah, that's it. This is how you can see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned with us.